while working in IBM, just every day lunchtime, our 1:30, 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, anytime based on our comfort, we will go to the cafeteria. We were there in the third floor. We are coming in the lift to the ground floor. In the cellar, we have cafeteria is there. We come to there, 70 rupees or something like we require to pay. Then there is a plate in the hostels like in the intermediate. Okay, hostels, the people, corporate hostels, they are going to provide the plate like we have to take the plate and we have to get self-service and we require to eat. That is the thing. So what happened is, while coming, sometimes I may come alone. Maybe all the people may live based on some work and so on. Some person, just I saw a person in the lift. Okay, a new person. I don't know that person. Just I smiled. That's it. He also smiled. Ground floor came. Just we got separated like that. Next, after 1, 2 or 3 days, again the same thing happened. Again the same person is there in the lift. Just I smiled. That person also smiled. No other activities, man. No, I mean, we didn't talk anything. Just maybe after few days, what happened is I smiled. Just simply, he also smiled. Then I asked, sir, which project you are? Like, I'm belongs to some trust account. Like, oh, what about you? Like, so, I'm in currently Elisa account. Elisa account, like, that is Finnish based telecom service provider. Elisa account, like, oh, okay, like, so, next, he's also, next, after 2 or 3 days, he's also came for, okay, lunch only, right? Both together, we sat on the table. And then we started talking. Like, one day, my project got completed. Okay, just in the discussion, I told, yeah, my account, currently I'm on the bench waiting for the new project. Like, sir, in my project, there is a requirement is there. Okay, I will talk with my manager once. Can you please forward your resume? Got the project. Observe that. Got the project. Where the conversation started, can you please imagine?
With a smile.
Observe that. With the smile.